Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of unconventional money-saving tactics that have been tucked away in the annals of history. These are the hidden gems, the obscure strategies, and the secret techniques your grandparents used to pinch pennies and make every dollar count in 2024. Mystery shopping? Become a mystery shopper and get paid to evaluate businesses while enjoying freebies and discounts. Tip 2. Dumpster diving. Explore the art of dumpster diving for discarded but still usable items like furniture, electronics. Bartering for services. Swap services with neighbors or online communities. Trade your skills for theirs, bypassing traditional currency. Tip 4. U.S. seasonal shopping. Plan your shopping around end-of-season sales when retailers are eager to clear out inventory at rock-bottom prices. Forgotten loyalty programs. Dig into the archives of forgotten loyalty programs and rewards points. You may have hidden treasures waiting to be redeemed. Tip 6. House hacking. Consider house hacking by renting out a room in your home or using platforms like Airbnb to generate extra income. Second-hand wedding attire. Save on wedding expenses by opting for second-hand wedding attire and decorations. Reusable menstrual products. Explore reusable menstrual products like cloth pads or menstrual cups for a more eco-friendly and budget-conscious option. DIY beauty products. Craft your own beauty products using natural ingredients found in your kitchen, saving money on expensive cosmetics. Creative transportation. Get creative with transportation options, such as using electric scooters, bike-sharing programs, or carpooling apps to reduce costs. Swap and share clubs. Join swap and share clubs in your community to exchange items like books, toys, or gardening tools. Tip 12. iCalories. Craigslist freebies. Frequent the free section of Craigslist for a variety of free items from furniture to electronics. Savvy remote work opportunities. Explore remote work opportunities in niche fields or industries that may offer higher pay rates. Register volunteering for perks. Volunteer at events or festivals to enjoy perks like free admission or meals. Zero-waste shopping. Shop at zero-waste stores or bulk bins to reduce packaging waste and save on groceries. Rent out storage space. Rent out unused storage space in your home to individuals looking for storage solutions. Eco-friendly landscaping. Switch to eco-friendly landscaping practices like xeriscaping to lower water bills and maintenance costs. Virtual garage sales. Host virtual garage sales on social media or online marketplaces to declutter and earn extra cash. Secret price match policies. Discover secret price match policies at stores that may not openly advertise this money-saving opportunity. Tip 20. DIY home repairs. Learn advanced DIY home repair techniques to tackle more complex projects and avoid hefty contractor fees. Grocery store discounts. Unearth lesser-known grocery store discounts like managers' specials and clearance sections. P2D2 peer-to-peer lending. Explore peer-to-peer lending platforms to earn interest on loans you provide to others. Home energy audits. Schedule a home energy audit to uncover hidden ways to reduce your utility bills. Tip 24. Bulk cooking. Practice bulk cooking and freezing meals to save time and money on future dining expenses. Swap unused gift cards. Swap or sell unused gift cards for cash or cards you'll actually use on platforms like Gift Card Granny. The power of negotiation. Hone your negotiation skills to lower prices on everything from rent to medical bills. Secret club memberships. Look for secret club memberships that offer exclusive discounts and benefits. Tip 28. Hidden travel deals. Search for hidden travel deals like fare glitches and mistake fares for incredible savings on flights and vacations. Online research studies. Participate in online research studies or surveys that offer compensation or gift cards. Forgotten tax deductions. Don't forget about obscure tax deductions that may apply to your unique situation, potentially reducing your tax burden. By exploring these little-known money-saving tactics, inspired by the wisdom of previous generations, you're sure to make 2024 a year of financial success and discovery. Keep your eyes open for these hidden opportunities and you'll be well on your way to a more financially savvy future.